Particle starts SHM from O and moving towards positive amplitude plus A. Okay, we have to write the equation if angular speed is given as omega and amplitude is A. Now to solve such problem there are two methods, equation method and phasor method. So here we are discussing both the method, equation method and phasor method. Now how will you solve in the equation method? We know general displacement equation is given by y equal to A sin omega t plus phi. Here at t equal to 0, displacement is 0 because particle is starting from the mean position. It means we can say 0 is given by A sin phi, and we put the value of the phi, it will be 0 or it can be pi. Okay. Now out of 0 and pi, which value we will select? It will be decided by the velocity condition. अगर आप velocity देखो यहाँ पे तो velocity कितनी हो जाएगी a ओमेगा cos ओमेगा t प्लस फाई. t की वैल्यू 0 पुट करो तो velocity हमारी आ गई है a ओमेगा cos फाई. ओके, अब अगर मैं फाई की वैल्यू पाई लेता हूँ, if I put the value of the phi, that is pi, it is visible to all of you. Cos pi will be -1, यानी velocity is negative, which is not possible because when the particle is moving toward the plus x axis, velocity should be positive. It means अगर मैं यहाँ पे phi की वैल्यू 0 रखूँ तो cos 0 is +1 and velocity is a omega, so it will satisfy the condition. So here phi equal to 0, then answer will become y equal to a sin omega t. So this is the right answer of this problem, y equal to a sin omega t. Now let us discuss with phasor method also, and I always suggest in my class please use the phasor method. So we go to the phasor method. We all know this is the phasor circle. Particle start from mean position, it is moving towards the plus a, means this is the circle situation, and let after some time t, particle is reaching here and this is an angle theta. We all intelligent, theta can be written as omega into t. अब मैं आपसे पूछूं कितना डिस्प्लेसमेंट हुआ, सपोज आई से दिस इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट, देन ऑल ऑफ यू नो y इक्वल टू a sin थीटा, थीटा की जगह क्या पुट करोगे a sin omega t. So you can use any method, either the equation method or phasor method. The answer will be y equal to a sin omega t.